in Tokyo Drift in Odaiba. So, you see the cars, you're gonna be enjoying the real drifting here. The people is driving super fast, lots of people, the environment is crazy. So hope you enjoy all the cars and how they are driving. Let's go!
We are in D1 Tokyo Drift Grand Prix and we pay 12,000 yens to entry and could not get inside. But before we get crying, let's start from the beginning. Every Tokyo trip starts with a train. If you are coming from Shibuya or Shinjuku, arriving to Odaiba is really easy. Odaiba is one of the coolest artificial islands in Tokyo. They love to organize big events there, and this time we got to attend the D1 Tokyo Drift Grand Prix, the last race of the year for the Japan Championship. The cost of the event was 12,000 Japanese yen, and you could not get access to the race cars. I really was not expecting that, but on the other side, Cool Racing was organizing this big car event, where people were displaying their body kits from Cool Racing. On the free area, they had drifting RC in a really high level and very cheap. It cost around €100 each, and the quality is quite impressive. I really love the Evangelion home. The shops around were impressive. I guess that for Japanese people, it's normal, but really got me surprised. One of my favorite things to do in the Japanese car show is to play the gacha. In this game, you can win a really big product with just a little bit of money. This time, I only win stickers and a folder, but hey, they are limited edition. Last time in Tokyo 2 Salon, I got a limited edition watch from Tom's for only €55. I'm gonna be giving for free a set of stickers and the folder to the first 3 people that comment this video. The only condition will be that you have to come to Tokyo to get it. Walking around the shops, we could try some bright seats as usual. They are really comfortable. It's difficult to decide which one I prefer for my car, so trying out is always a good idea. We got to see the Ame wheels. Incredible balance quality price, and they are super stylish. Also the clothes. I was going to buy a hoodie, but at the end, I decided to get the limited edition from the event Tokyo Drift. It will become my favorite hoodie from now. I could not stop filming this engine in front of the HKS booth. It has something magic. The level of the cars is incredible. More than 800 horsepower with slick tires. Going to see the cars drifting, we got to see some crashes and some spectacular passings. That was really the thing. Because we attend the band on Saturday, they were doing some practice in the morning. I was expecting to have a better views, but at the end, we get a really nice secret spot to watch the battles in the best place ever. But before enjoying the best views of all the events,
This is the Real Dimension Gundam in Odaiba.
we decided to do a pit stop. We wanted a shopping mall and get some delicious food. It was really a noisy place, but the food is cheap, good quality, and we needed to refuel a little bit the energy.
Do you know Car Modify Wonder?
Car Modified Wonder is a top-level Japanese brand aero parts manufacturer. Everything made in Japan by the legend Takashi Haruyama, a drifting legend in Japan.
No need for the snoozing. Big whip outside, I'm cruising. Big stick inside, no losing. Better watch out for the snake and Judas.
On the next video, we're gonna be attending to an event on Nikko Circuit organized by Car Modified Wonder. Make sure to subscribe to don't miss it out. The famous wheel brand Works was there with this incredible GR86. I would not mind to buy one. Do you recognize these wheels? They are my favorite ones. There were so many brands around, like Project Mu, Okura Clutch, HKS. But as a race mechanic, one brand really called my attention. Tone Tools. They have been building tools for so many years in Japan. They have been targeting the normal industry car, but the price is really affordable. So that's why it's really a good option to be checking all the strange tools that they have around. They keep organizing all kind of events to entertain people during this event. It's quite funny to see how Japanese people always tend to do this kind of comedy that everybody finds it so funny if you understand Japanese, of course. The night is arriving, so it's time to show you the secret spot. Look all these lights, the drifting, the smoke. Just when we decide to leave, we discover that it was possible to be that close to the cars. We just give up the seat and we enjoy the last part of the night.
I can see you're skeptical. You can have a little faith in what you're waiting for. Just make a move, attention. Never let go. I can see you're skeptical. You can have a little faith in what you're waiting for.
If you arrive until here, make sure to subscribe and give a like to support the channel. The videos that are coming gonna be spectacular.